Welcome to another Excel Now video. In this video, we're going to learn two ways on how to fill in between blanks. I got here two columns. One is item and color. We're going to fill in between blanks in B column. So first step, we're going to filter it and choose blanks. Then highlight blank cells, empty cells, and then we're going to fill in the data we need. Yellow. So what I did, let me do it again. Highlight all the cells, blank cells, Control G, special, visible cells only so we don't edit the hidden cells. And then type in the data we want to put in, and then Control Enter, and then unfilter the column. There you have it. That's the first way to fill in between blanks. Second, we don't need the filter step, but let me delete all the red cells. Okay. Now we're gonna fill in all the data, the empty cells in column B. So highlight B column, Control G, special, blanks. Okay, now that you see it, type in the data you want to put in, and then Control Enter. That's the second one. Hope this helped.